Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make a diya stand. For this I'm using small terracotta diyas, a metal diya to be kept in center and an old terracotta loban burner. First of all I'm coloring small terracotta diyas with acrylic color. Before coloring it I would apply cooking oil on its surface so that it should not soak much colors. After coloring, let it dry. Meanwhile, I'm coloring old loban burner also with bright and red yellow colors. Here you can use any shade of color you like. Now all small diyas are dried and I will make some simple design on it. I'm just applying some dots on it by using matchstick. And also using 3D glass liner. I'm also sticking kundan on it. Now all diyas are ready to arrange on a stand. To make the stand, I am taking a loban burner. For this, here I am taking diya holder made up of CDs and will arrange diyas on it. Now I will stick all diyas on CD and to this I will stick to inverted loban burner. This is how I have made this beautiful diya stand. How I am going to decorate it, I will show it in next video. That's it for now. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such beautiful, easy and useful DIY. Thanks for watching and wishing you all very happy Diwali. Until next video, take care and bye bye.